If we scroll down, the next thing here is going to be the watch list tab, which is going to show you the major cryptocurrencies. You can also customize this if there's certain ones that you want to keep track of. And below that, you're going to see the performance of your cryptocurrency portfolio as far as what's going on across the current trading day. There's another link below here for various sections we've already covered, like the derivatives, prediction markets, stocks, the cash section, the earn section, and all of that. So that's the extent here of the home page. The next tab over is going to be the Explore tab, and this can be useful for a number of different reasons. If you're looking to keep track of the overall crypto market, we can see top trading volume here listed. So this is going to be whatever is having the most trading volume over the last 24 hours. For example, Bitcoin has traded 33 billion in the last 24 hours. And then you can click here on top gainers if you want to see what is going up the most right now. Top losers is going to show you whatever is dropping. And you can also take a look here at the crypto market update, which is AI generated. And this is going to help you to have an update on what's going on in the overall crypto market. So for example, it says Bitcoin funds see longest withdrawal streak on record. Stripe's stablecoin fueled chain conducts 3.9 million transactions. An intercontinental exchange CEO praises Hyperliquid. There's a little bit more to it. I won't read the entire synopsis here, but you can get updates about what's going on in the market here and just keep track of the overall market performance. This can be helpful just to see what's going on in the broader crypto market. So we are still seeing a bit of a sell-off. The overall market cap of the entire crypto market has sold off about 2.77% on elevated trading volume. But if you look at the buy ratio here, at least on Coinbase, 76% are buying. So it could be a case where retail investor is buying and possibly larger institutional investors or those who are invested in crypto ETFs are selling right now. But this is where you can get, valuable insights like that on what's happening in the broader market. Below that, we can get similar info on stocks, derivatives, and that's the extent here of the Explore page. And you can also click on the top here to take a look at similar sections that we've seen before, derivatives, commodities. And a lot of this, guys, is going to navigate you back to the same section. It's just shortcuts placed in different locations.